get Ike out of his room. Good, good. Food works. I get him to sit. If I go to touch him, he wants to touch me. So instead, when he's too overloaded, you sit. Calm exercise, monotone exercise won't work. Rather than having him learn to touch me or jump on me, we'll start off by walking. Good. Ike, heel. Good, 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 good. Ike, heel. Good, good. No heel. If he gets ahead of me, it's okay to say that. Good, good, good. No heel. Good. Back, back. Good, good. Heel, Ike. You got a very long leash I'm trying to wind up. Ike, no heel. Good, good. Now I got the leash all folded. If he starts to walk ahead, no heel. And then the next time he walks ahead, good, good, good. If he's not walking ahead, I have to raise. Good, 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 good. No heel. And no, usually just adjust like that. Heel. As we make it back towards the K9 College. This is Ike's last day. He's taking a bath and